Okay, welcome to the Level 8 addition video. Here we're going to continue building on what we did in Level 9, where this time around we will have 5 two-digit numbers as opposed to the 3 two-digit numbers that we had in Level 9. So our challenge to continue building our speed will be there as we work through these higher levels. So let's go ahead and work through a couple of problems and see what we have. So we'll start off here by entering 44, and then we need to add 89. So we'll do that by adding 1 to the third rod, subtract 8's 10 pair 2, and then adding 9, we'll add 1 to the second rod and subtract 9's 10 pair 1 from the unit rod. Then to minus 50, subtract 1 from the third rod and add 5's 10 pair 5 to the second rod. And then minus 11 is straightforward. And then finally to add 71, we add 1 to the third rod and subtract 7's 10 pair 3 in the form of a 5 pair. And then adding 1 to the unit rod for a final answer of 143. Okay, let's try a second example here. Start off with 34, and then we need to add 38. Okay, add the 3 in the form of a 5 pair. And then to add 8, I add 1 to the second rod, subtract 8's 10 pair 2. Now we need to add 53, add 1 to the third rod, subtract 5's 10 pair 5, and then add 3 to the first rod. That's a straight 5 pair. Now we need to subtract 26. Okay, subtract the 2, but then we need to subtract the 6 here. So reach over, grab this 1, and then add 6's 10 pair 4, and then finally to subtract 40 for a final answer of 59. So hopefully this is nothing new to you, and you're able to follow along. So let's do a final example. We'll start off with 59 and then add 48. Okay, well here's a classic dragonfly. To add the 8, we'll add 1 to the third rod over, clear that 9, and then subtract 8's 10 pair 2. And then we add 24. Okay, add the 4, we're going to add 1 and subtract its 10 pair 6. And then adding 63, just add that straightforward. And finally 22, add 1, subtract 2's 10 pair 8, and add 2 here in the form of a 5 pair by adding 5 and subtracting 3 for a final answer of 216. So hopefully all of that made sense to you, and I encourage you to practice good beadwork, and that's the fastest and quickest way to build speed on the soroban. Okay, good luck and keep practicing.